Croatia is a place, but Croatian is a person. Italic is a style of writing, and Italian describes where this food is from. If this person is from India, what would we call him? If this person is from Canada, what would we call him? If this person is from Norway, what would we call her? Norwegian. Take out your marker, it's writing time, writing time. What is someone from Croatia called? Croatian. Write the word Croatian. O